So in question 2, we're asked to talk about this graph, draw a best fit curve, which I'm assuming wasn't a massive issue. And then we are asked to explain why the student's conclusion is not completely correct. So our command word is the word explain there. Okay, so explain means to give reasons. Okay, so describe what happens and give reasons for that. Okay, so he's not completely correct. That's the description. Why? Well, the first thing we have to say is where he is correct, because it says not completely correct. So there's part of it where he is correct. So that's from a mass of 100 grams up to a mass of 400 grams. Obviously, with a mass of less than 100 grams, we can't comment on the force that would be required to break. The question previously asked us to predict, well, we would just extrapolate the line, but there's no reason to suggest that it might not actually be an anomalous result somewhere up with a higher force, for example. We don't have enough data to say for sure. The second thing to say is he's correct up until a particular point. So it continues to increase up until a particular point. And even though you've identified that 400 grams as an anomaly, if we look at that trend, it's going to increase. Okay, so it seems to be increasing up to 400 grams. So that was your second mark for saying up to 400 grams. However, after that point, it begins to decrease. So that's your third mark to say it begins to decrease after 400 grams.